will say please, I will say please. That's what I'll say, that's what I'll say. When you get something, when you get something, what will you say, what will you say? I will say thank you, I will say thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Krishna from Class-1 F Krishna Public School, NEHRU, NAGAR, BHILAI. I am going to say few lines on good habit. Good habit makes you a good person. Brush your teeth twice daily. Wash your hands before eating food. Early to bed, early to rise makes you healthy, wealthy and wise. Always respect your teachers and elders. Cover your mouth when you sneeze or cough. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Yuan Singh of Class-1 Krishna Public School, NEHRU, NAGAR, BHILAI. Today's thought of the day is good manners have the power to change overall personality and give a different outcome. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning to all. My name is Arush Pandey. I study in class 1 of Krishna Public School, NEHRU, NAGAR, BHILAI. Today's news headlines are risk of third wave, doom flash at June. Foreign artists to perform at National Tribal Dance Festival. Petrol diesel prices hiked for third day. India vs England fifth test rescheduled to July 2022. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Hemangla Tare from Class 1C. Today I am going to say about good manners. Good manners tell us how we must behave with others in a respectful and a polite way. It includes our thinking, behavior, gestures and way of talking with others. It converts a normal human being into a civilized well-being or a noble man. Good manners are inculcated in the children at a very young age. Thank you. Have a nice day.
नमस्ते मैम, मेरा नाम अजीत सिंह है। मैं क्लास 1D में पढ़ता हूँ। इसके 4 शब्द 2 शब्दों से मिलकर बनता है। शिष्ट तथा आचार से बनता है। इसका अर्थ है अच्छा आचरण। बड़ों के साथ अच्छा आचरण करना शिष्टाचार ही कहलाता है। हमारे अपने माता पिता, भाई बहन, दादा दादी, नाना नानी तथा गुरुजनों को सम्मान देना और उनकी आज्ञा का पालन करें। धन्यवाद। Good morning to all. My name is Rishika Patel of Class 1A. Today I am going to recite a English poem on good manners. We say thank you, we say please, and excuse me when we sneeze. That's the way we do what's right. We have manners, we are polite. Thank you, have a nice day. सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम है वनिका टेमुरकर। मैं कक्षा 1B कृष्णा पब्लिक स्कूल, नेहरू नगर, भिलाई में पढ़ती हूँ। मेरी कविता का शीर्षक है शिष्टाचार। शिष्ट आचार और व्यवहार से बनता शिष्टाचार। माता की शिक्षा, गुरु की दीक्षा, पिता जो पालनहार, इनकी सेवा जरूरी है। बड़े मिले तो करो नमस्ते, शिष्टाचार जरूरी है। छोटे हो या संगी साथी, सबको प्यार जरूरी है। धन्यवाद कर सभी का आभार जताना जरूरी है।
will you say? I will say excuse me, I will say excuse me. That's what I'll say, that's what I'll say. When you hurt someone, when you hurt someone, what will you say? What will you say? I will say sorry, I will say sorry. That's what I'll say, that's what I'll say. When you are honest, when you are honest, everyone likes you, everyone